interesting evening wear segment, it's time to announce this year's splendid butcher of magnificence.
What is with the dress?
What do you mean?
Beautiful night, huh? I love being outdoors.
Yeah, it's okay. Let's see how your, two friends like it outdoors, huh?
Oh, look, a beautiful white bird.
Get away!
Ricky, birds are beautiful, nature's angels.
I don't know. Just something about animals and nature that's just kind of unnatural.
I don't think this is gonna work out, Ricky.
Okay? But I love big naturals!
Your winner and still reigning champion, not you, Toots.
What the?
Mr. Giorgio Jones!
Oh, you innocent. What?
Come on! Just take a look at it.
Ew.
I told that pork mungie to stay away from my sister. Yeah!
Just break out them chocolate eggs.
I get my hands on you.
Hey, guys.
It just so happens I wore my battle thong! Let's do this!
And that was the scene last night as perpetual sore loser Saul Butcher viciously attacked winner Giorgio Jones. We're here with splendid butcher of magnificence, Giorgio Jones, and I gotta tell you, Giorgio, what I see there just makes me sick.
Me too, Derek. No need for a G-string that close to food. Hello.
Damn peanut sauce.
Hey, TV be blaming you for fisticuffs. What happened?
Ricky sticking his meat chunk in the Jones fondue again.
Gina, this is my special stew. It's won me the Steel Town Stew Off 7 years running.
And Stew Off is next week. It's only the first of many yearly butchery events.
The crown and jewel being splendid butcher of magnificence, which I am, and Saul Butcher is not.
In search of Bigfoot.
Freaking Derek and Gina! We'll be needing this! That stew off sets the tone for the whole year. Whoever wins that usually wins everything else. Well, this is my year.
Yeah, word, Saul. 7 stews, all you.
The first person to supply indisputable proof of Bigfoot could see riches beyond his or her wildest dreams.
Damn.
Pack up your shirt, boys. We're moving.
What the hell are you talking about?
Well, Cassio thinks I hate nature, so I tried to lie to her face, say it could change. Sweet Cassie.
You're on your own this time.
So you're not gonna help me?
I've lost too much already. Going hunting.
Hunting?
Hunting. Now, to win that stew up, I need an edge. Fresh, unique, wild meat. I'm out of here.
Well, I'm coming. I need to get the hell out of town. Give the Giorgio time to chill.
The woods is the perfect place for a nature hater like yourself. Good thinking. You wanna come, Doug?
I'm gonna find Bigfoot.
Yo, Saul, look at this sign. It says, no hunting.
We're not hunting, we're gathering. We're gathering carcasses, which we've hunted and killed. It's different.
Peep this, y'all.
That ain't a big feet print, Doug.
Dinosaur Foot, the movie. Wicked flick.
Do you really think you're gonna find this big feet?
Like a dildo in your sock, Dro.
Gah! I hate it out here. I'm gonna go wait in the van until you kill something.
Aw, did you sprain your vagina?
They found me.
Calm down, Sally. They're here for the same thing I am. Meet for Stewfest. All right, we gotta split up. There's weakness in numbers.
Bigfoot, I know you out here. You think you so big. Who you think you is? Who you think you is?
Shut up, man. You're gonna attract animals. Scary animals.
Sorry.
Jesus, it reeks out here. It smells like dirty sausage. Nature is so stupid. What does Cassio see in it? Stupid tree! Gah!
Damn, Rick. Why Cassio Jones? She's old. And Giorgio's sister.
And she's a granola huffing tree hugger. But I gotta get at those tofu-fed Moldunskis.
Yo, berry bush. Bigfoot snackables. Evidence.
What are those stupid things? Cherries? Wouldn't be the first time I stole cherries in the woods. Give me one. Ah! That's horrible! She'll love them.
Oh, look, cute little squirrel.
Ah! Wolverine! Jam factory in my pants. Jam?
Well, that's 4 death zones complete. Giorgio, you mess with the horse, you'll get the bull. Ow! Bongo!
Yo, I can't wait for Cassio to taste my handmade spread. I bet she'll like this jam, too.
Yeah, sure thing.
Hey, I'm trying to play with the hippie's boobs. Be happy for me.
I am, Holmes. It's just, I've been searching for 3 hours now, and I ain't found squat. I'm gonna give up.
Get up. I know just what you need. Jun.
Huh?
Jun. You feeling that?
My dubious dreams of Sasquatch bling be fading fast as I sit on my ring stick. Where I'ma find you? Where I'ma blind you? With a camera flash, I'm right behind you. I hear a freaking mystery. Watch your history. I'ma give the truth a hysterectomy. Go, Bigfoot.
Yeah!
Come on, Ricky.
All right. What? Oh, goddamn roots. Doug? Doug? Doug?
Chicken wings? In the middle of the woods? Huh? Not human. No animal I would be tasting. Bigfoot? Chicken wings, Harris sodas. Something tells me I'll be close.
Majestic, simply irresistible. Truly one of Brother Nature's noblest critters.
Time to die, you slimy prick! Saul style! You wanna run, eh? Stupid antelope!
It's okay. Stay calm, Rickster. You'll find Doug. You'll find Doug and bash his friggin' skull in! Oh, what was that? What was that? What was that? Oh, I'm gonna die out here.
Yes!
Righteous head rush.
I ain't never gonna find Bigfoot. I'm done. The one big animal ain't hard to find. Time for a little hand-to-gland combat. Before where that camera at? Oh, shit.
"14 sticks of dynamite and you're still standing. You've been a worthy opponent. I hereby name you Skip. Skip the Antelope. But your luck just ran home. Time to greet your maker." Whoa. Whoa.
Huh?
How's it going?
Good, man. Good. Deadly shirt.
Thanks. What are you doing here?
I'll be rocking ass and barebacking by sundown. World, meet Bigfoot. Bigfoot, meet Doug. Whoa, whoa. Hey, get out of my bag, mother... Oh, get back in my bag, that's fine. Those ain't mine. Blow! You like the skin mags too, huh? Don't worry, your secret's safe with me. Oh, I see. You like cross-dressing too. Dressed up like a chick? That cool. Okay, that secret's safe for me too. Oh, no, man. No, that okay, that okay. Hey, you got Jenga? Oh, Jenga the ball, baby. Let's play some Jenga. All right, Jenga it be. Oh, no, that's okay. Bitch, are you for real? Damn.
Oh, don't look at me, friend. It makes it really hard to kill you for stew. Whoa.
Oh, sweet Perry. The beauty. The absolute...
You hate animals, yes, it's true. Mother Nature's not for you, but when the Giorgio finds you here, he'll beat you black and blue.
Wait! I've changed! Oh, I see the foolishness of my ways. Please stop me down, and I will shout, Mother Nature reigns!
Wow, that was horrible. Seriously, hooray? But I like you, Rick. Get him down, boys!
Huh? Nice.
I am one with nature!
Listen, Bigfoot, I got confessionals to make. Okay, then. I came out here today to find you. Mad love, dog, yeah. But I didn't just find you for friendship. I was gonna expose you to the world and make mad dollars. I'm sorry. Picture it. Fame. Record deals. Fat rides. So, what do you say?
Bam!
Jesus Jones, Skip! You bested me in combat. When two mighty warriors like us come together, it must be density.
You've proved yourself. You deserve to live. Come here, Skippy.
Every stew-off, I get special meat. A nice border collie, maybe a monkey. Why did I have to go hunting this year?
I know, Papa.
And we see no meat, no animals. We go home now, Benigno.
Oh, Papa, wait! Look! It's a deer!
What it is, son, is my 8th stew-off title. Bellissimo!
Jesus Christ, Skip, get the f down!
All we need to do is get these to the newspaper. Then we'd be pit deep in hoes, doing talk shows, got more dollar than a period's got flow. Damn, that sounds like Ricky.
I am the Forest King, the Berry Gatherer. All woodland creatures, come unto me. Ah! Giorgio,
Pork, Munchie.
it's Forest King, thanks. I bear tasty gifts for your sister.
You dirty mother...
Pinocchio, where's your dad?
Hey, you shot at us!
Well, you shot at us first.
We were shooting at the deer!
There's deer out here?
Where's my Papa? Your stupid brother and my aunt got him all stressed out!
Your aunt? Who the hell is your oh dear God, Ricky?
I warn you, Giorgio, as Forest King, I have the aid of my forest friends.
You shot at us!
Shot at you? What are you talking about?
Hey, maybe I'll shoot at you now, huh?
Not if my forest friends have anything to say about it. Dudes! Seriously, dudes! Forest King needs help! Stupid animals!
So you just wait till your hand go to sleep and it be like another person. Ricky, Giorgio,
Holy shit!
Whoa, an antelope!
Jam.
Yo, check it out. Doug found his Bigfoot.
Really?
Is it sleeping?
don't you die on me, Bigfoot. You my passport to Slud City.
Tell the world, Dougland, don't let my legend die. Tell the world of Bigfoot.
You gonna tell him, Doc? You gonna tell him?
It's okay, buddy. Let it out. Let it out.
Okay, pipe down, Jesus.
I came out here looking for a legend. And what I found was a friend.
Me too, I found a friend too. This is Skip, he's still alive.
Not for long. Feels tender. You want stew up for sure, Saul.
No. Skip's a warrior. He's earned the right to live. Shh, I know. You don't have to say anything. Now get out of here.
Hee-haw!
Godspeedo.
But Saul, you don't have any meat for Stewfest.
That's right, I don't.
What? What up?
I don't want to give too much away, but let's just say we might have accidentally killed a big feet, and we might have used the meat in the stew.
And our stew-off winner is Giorgio Jones!
Oh, Ricky, I ain't never had dingleberry jam before.
I'm gonna miss you, Holmes.
I'ma tell the world. I'ma tell the world of Bigfoot.
You dressed in drag, you dark-skinned mags. We was dreaming mad crazy. Your cave was tight, Jenga be-eyed. We was dreaming mad crazy. Bigfoot ought to knock your best. Why'd you take a shot through the chest? Why, Bigfoot, why, oh why? I should've let Ricky die. 'Cause your ass was stank, your breath so rank, your heart was big as your ball sack. Now you're dead, the ground stained red, but man, what a big ball sack. Bigfoot, you'd have made me rich, but now you saw Stew off bitch. Bigfoot, you'd have been a hit, but eating you is the shit. I did not doubt you, but damn you done did you in. I never knew no one, not know what I know then. I do know one thing. Bitch, you were for
What are you talking about?